Hey guys, Tim here with Bevan Farm, and today we're going to be taking a look at this new Yamaha G2 golf cart that I got a few weeks ago. This one I found out was extended aftermarket, so it didn't come like this. So it's basically just a regular golf cart that was then extended, and the seat and everything from another golf cart was grafted into it. And so this thing's gonna take a ton of work. I believe it's a 48 volt, it could be a 36. So what is that? 8 times 6, so that's 48 volts. All those batteries here, we're gonna get rid of those. And I'll swap in a lithium conversion. But this thing also has controller back here, motor down there. I'm not sure if any of that works. I haven't gotten to all the troubleshooting yet. Right now, I'm just trying to make this thing be able to roll around. I scored some Kenda golf cart tires yesterday on Facebook Marketplace for $100, and these are brand new. So pretty good score there, because those tires are typically $80 to $90 a piece. So yeah, lots that needs to be done on this. It is missing pedal assembly, so I'll need to find that or rig something up. So I'll do the batteries here. Got to figure out the motor. As you saw in our club car video, Rachel and I know how to do upholstery. So we're going to do that. We're going to probably paint this thing. I think the color is kind of cool, but it is worn out. So yeah, if you guys have any thoughts on this, let me know. Or if you have any sources for old Yamaha G2 parts, let me know that too, because I'm sure I'm going to be needing a lot of stuff. Yeah, this is where we are starting, and yeah, it's going to be a heck of a job. Lots to get done on this. It was just sitting in my neighbor's field, so yeah, wasn't really taking care of it the best, but that's okay. We'll get it going. Golf carts are pretty straightforward in the way that they are designed. A lot of them are pretty much the same. So anyway, let me know what you think.